It's well documented that spending time outdoors in green space can help you improve or manage your mental health. And these sessions that we run for people who have been in touch with mental health services, have lived experience of mental health issues, or are carers for people with mental health issues, are really there to help people manage or improve their well-being.
When I led a session for the Wellbeing and Recovery College, it was a session that the intention was to kind of take people out slowly, to not kind of throw people out in the outdoors and go, here you go, off you go. And it felt like there was a process of kind of nurturing people through that. So we looked for tracks and signs, but we took it very sort of slow, and it felt like it was about improving people's confidence to be outdoors. For a lot of people, they don't have kind of the confidence to just be outside and kind of spend that time outside, to use their senses.
We're not clinicians, but we work with the Recovery College and their lived experience tutors to provide a space where people feel safe and comfortable to share their experiences of how spending time in nature has helped them manage their mental health, how they have enjoyed being outdoors, and it also helps to take people out of themselves a little bit.
These sessions were really great fun, actually. I wasn't sure what to expect, and it was fantastic. There was like a whole array of different things that were on offer. And we did all sorts of really exciting things. We found badger tracks, and we were able to follow badgers and look at their natural habitats. Everybody was really interested because it was opening our eyes to a whole new world. And I think in our modern day lives, we get so fixed on what's immediately in our environment, and the course gave us a great opportunity to step outside of that world and just press pause on the busyness and just experience nature.
As an organisation that's specifically interested in the biodiversity and social history and heritage of burial grounds, we feel these are great public spaces for people to spend time in. They're calm spaces, they're quiet spaces, they're often beautiful spaces with an abundance of biodiversity, of wildlife, insects and plants in them. We feel these places should be used more for contemplation and quiet enjoyment. They're often in the heart of communities. They could be on people's daily commutes, daily walks, within walking distance of where people work. And we are really encouraging people to see them as a place to find a bit of quiet in a busy time, be that a busy life or if things are internally busy, just to find a bit of space.